Now, I'm asking that from our platform, you are taking only maths classes, or you are taking classes of the other subjects also, like physics, chemistry, biology, or computer.
Uh, can you please repeat?
I'm asking that like you are taking online classes of mathematics. So are you taking online classes of other subjects also?
I'm also taking physics.
Okay,
Yeah,
physics.
yes.
Okay, so question number 15 and 17, right?
Yes.
Let me write 17 first. The question is that the ascertain. Yes, so it is given that the a certain sum of money triples itself in 10 years. Let's say that the initially the amount or the principal was P. So it become triple means 3P in 10 years. So we have to, and the interest is given as 5,000. So we have to calculate this principal. So we know that the uh, formula for amount is principal plus simple interest, and simple interest formula is P into R into T over 100. So amount is the final amount which has become, so it has become now 3P is equals to, initially we have assumed the sum was P. So P plus P into value of R is also not given, means the rate of interest is also not given. So we'll take R as R, and time period is given as 10. So 10 over 100. So one of the zeros will be cancelled out. So 3P. Now you can see that P is present in this term also and in this term also. So I can take out P as common. So that will be, okay. If it is confusing, I will solve it more simpler way. P plus, now we have here PR over 10. So one thing is that you can take out P as common, or the other thing is that you can take the LCM also. It's completely up to you. I am taking P as common, so 3P. Here in both the terms P is present, so I can take P as common. So here we have 1 plus R over, so 10. So this P and this P will cancel out. Now we have 3 is equals to 1 plus R over 10. When I transpose this one, so this will become negative 1, R over 10, 2 is equals to R over 10. So 10 into 2, that is 20. So the rate is 20%. So now we have got the value of rate. So now we can simply apply the formula of interest again to find out the principal. So interest is P into R into T over 100. Interest is given as 5,000. We have to calculate the value of P. We just calculated the rate of interest, that is 20. Time period is 10 years over 100. So zeros will be cancelled out, and 5,000 over 2 is equals to principal. And when I divide 5,000 by 2, so I will get 2,500 as the principal. So that will be the value of the principal. So please go through these steps once again and let me know if there is any doubt in any of this.
So I also got that answer, but I did it differently.
Um, but if in question it is given that you have to calculate the rate of interest also, then you have to follow this approach. If the rate of it is not given that you have to calculate the rate of interest, then you can follow the approach which you have followed, because that's a shorter method. You can do that in a very less. And another question was question number 15, right?
Yes.
Question number 15. I'm writing in short what the data is given. So principal is given as 1000. Our rate of interest is given as 9/2%, or you can take 4.5. It's completely up to you. Then you have to calculate the simple interest, and time period is 5/2 years, or you can take 2.5. It's completely up to you. So I now using the formula for simple interest, that is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time over 100. So principal is 1000, rate is 9/2, time is 5/2, and this whole will be divided by 100. So 1000, when I divide 1000 by 2, so I will get here 500. Again, if I divide 500 by 2, I will get 250. So now I have 250 into 5/100. Okay, so one of the zeros will be cancelled out. 5 will cancel 2. So my answer will be 12.5. What's your answer, Jasper?
Um, I got $118.75.
Okay, okay, let me check it again. 1000 into 8. 4 whole 1 over 2, that would be 9/2. Time is 2 whole 1 over 2, that will be is 5/2, so 500 and 250. Okay, so okay, I haven't taken 9 into 9, so 12.5 into 9, so that will be 9 into 2, 18, 422, 9 into 1, 9, and 2, 11. It will be 112.5.
No, I still am wrong. I'm still wrong.
So you can check your answer once again, means the steps which you have followed.
By the 9.5, I think I converted it wrongly because I converted all my fractions to decimals and I got 4.75.
So, yeah, that will be 4.5.
Yeah, 4.5.
Yes. Okay, have you corrected your mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I will do the questions on the compound interest and we'll finish compound interest. Okay, just yeah. Okay. This is simple interest. Yes. Please note down these formulas for compound interest and we'll solve the question based on it. Here, N is the time period.
Okay, so you can continue.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the first question. So you can see that there is no direct formula to calculate compound interest. We have to calculate amount firstly. Like in case of simple interest, we have direct formula that we can apply P into R into T over 100 to find out the simple interest. But for compound interest, firstly we have to calculate amount by using this formula, and then our principal will be subtracted from there, and that's how we'll get the compound interest. So each time we have to calculate amount. So here we have to calculate compound interest. Uh, Principal is given as 12,600. Time period is given as 2 years. Rate is given as 10%. So writing the formula, that is A is equals to P 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power. You can write N or T, it's completely up to you. So 12,600, 1 plus R, that is 10 over 100 raised to the power 2. So one of the zeros will be cancelled out. If I take the LCM, so it will become 11 into 10 into 11 into 10. Or it will become 126 into 121. Let me multiply 126 and 121 by calculator. So I'm getting 15,200 and the 46.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Firstly, we have to calculate amount in case of account. Then we have to subtract principal from that. That's how we will get the compound.
Mm. I understand, sir.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. Please try this.
Okay, sir, I'm done.
Okay, what's your answer, Jasmine?
I got $1,470.
1,517.
No, 1,470.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this was the answer for compound interest, right?
Yes.
And you can see that at last it is written that you have to find the amount at the same rate of simple interest also. Means same data and you have to find the simple interest also.
Sir,
Yes, Jasmine.
um, I'm stuck.
Okay, no issues. So firstly, I'm writing what is given. Value of the principal is given as 1200, and this is amount because now principal has become this. So this is the value of amount, that is 4,405, 52, and the time period is given as 2 years, and we have to calculate a rate. So firstly, I'm writing the formula A is equals to P 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power 2. So now substituting the value of A and P, A is 1452, principal is 1200, 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power 2. So 1452 over 1200, 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power 2. So if I simplify them, means both number, you can see that the both numbers are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. So that will be 726, and this will be 600. Still both are divisible by 2, so 300, and this will become 363, right? Yes. And now both numbers are divisible by 3, so that will be 121, and that will be 100. So you have to do calculation manually here while calculating the rate of interest, because calculator will not help in such cases. So now I am getting 121 over 100 is equals to 1 plus R over 100. And if I remove the square from here, from the right hand side, I have to put a square root on the other side. So now 121 is the square of 11. 100 is the square of 10 is equals to 1 plus R over 100. Transposing this positive 1 on the other side, so 11 over 10 minus 1 is equals to R over 100. So if I solve this, I will be getting 1 over 10 is equals to R over 100. Cross multiplication, 100 over 10 is equals to R. That will be 10%.
So I got the answer.
Okay, what's your answer, Jasmine?
I got either 100/4 or 25%.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, correct. It's 25%. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yeah, please try this. Same question, you have to calculate the rate of interest.
Okay, so I'm done.
Okay, what's your answer, Jasmine?
I got 18%.
Yeah,
18%.
yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay.
So I got the answer.
Okay, what's your answer, Jasmine?
I got $30,690 or rupees.
30,000.
Yes.
I think this is incorrect. Yes, this is incorrect.
Oh.
Okay, check them. And you will be getting 9922.5. So I have half the rate of interest as in the table we have covered that if it is half yearly, so we have to half the rate of interest, that is 5, and time period will be double. So if the time period is 1 year, so you have to do double of that. Means we are calculating for 2 cycles because in 1 year there are 2 half years. So that's why time period will be 2. Let me Yes. So when half years, so you have to do these two things at half the rate of interest and double the time period. So you have to do this. So you will be getting the answer.